Hello YouTube, this is Skeptical Ruby here, back with another video. And last video I taught you guys how to use how to get user input and put it into a variable form, and you can call that variable whenever you want to. Let's do a quick one actually. Let's say puts what is your name, and then we could do we could create a variable, my name equals gets.chomp, and then we could put hello plus my underscore name. And now if we were to run this, what is your name? If I say skeptical, hello skeptical, very simple as that. Okay, and we can also use age, puts what is your age, my underscore age equals integer gets.chomp. You can use integer gets.chomp or just normal gets.chomp, depending on if you want to use this variable in the future as a mathematical value, or to calculate something. I mean, you just do it to do it. What is your age? If I say 5, as you can see, this is where string interpolation comes in. Oh, actually typed that wrong. Let me see. What's your age? If I say 5. As you can see, no one puts a conversion of fixed number into string. This is why there's an easier way to do this. It's not just using plus adding in the age, because obviously this is where string interpolation comes in, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it now. It may look a little confusing, but it's really not that confusing like how user input really wasn't that confusing. It's just gets.chomp. Okay, so what we have to do here, and let me first explain why you need string interpolation, because it's string interpolation is pretty much adding an integer or a float or any number, and you try to add it to your string. It's not like saying put hello and then puts, or just 2 print statements, because you can do that. You can do that actually. You can be like, I am, and then print 14 years old. Now if we were to remove this, I'm 14 years old, but you want to put in user input, right? So string interpolation, it's very simple actually. Let's create our age again and say it's integer, because it would actually work if we were just doing my age equals gets.chomp. It would have actually said I am that much years old. But if we want an integer for future values. And first actually let's make it a lot more clear and put how old are you? Retype this, and my age equals integer gets.chomp, and now you can put you are hashtag curly brackets, double curly brackets, my underscore age years old. I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna quickly show you guys. I'm gonna explain this to you. Right. How old are you? If we put 14, you are 14 years old. As you can see, that's simple, because before, when we tried to do that, it would say there was an error because they can't combine a string and an integer unless you do it this way. This is this tells it, these curly brackets, so it's like a whole another thing. It tells it doesn't have to be a string specifically, and it pretty much just puts this variable into this statement, or this sentence. It says you are my age years old, and that's exactly what we want. And you could do that again. Puts what is your favorite number, and then we could add a variable, favorite underscore number equals gets integer gets.chomp, and puts your favorite. Actually, let me show you guys something. Puts how old are you? And then, like I said, you could put my underscore age equals integer gets dot chomp, and then we could put what is your name and my underscore, and close this actually and put my underscore name is equal to gets.chomp, and the name is obviously not, your name is not going to be a number obviously, so we can say my name is just normal gets.chomp, and puts what is your favorite color. Add a variable real quick. Favorite color equals gets.chomp. We're gonna add one more. Puts what is your favorite number, and add a variable called favorite underscore number. And let me explain something real quick. Your variable name can literally be whatever it wants, except your variable name can never start with the number. You can't be 6, 8. It cannot start with the number. All right. Favorite underscore number equals integer gets.chomp. Inputs your name is hashtag my underscore name. You are hashtag my underscore age. You're old. Your favorite color is hashtag favorite underscore color. And your favorite number is hashtag my favorite underscore number. Now, if we were to run this, guys, how old are you? 14. What is your name? Skeptical. What is your favorite color? Red. Favorite number? 7. Oh. Oops, how did I miss this? Favorite underscore color. Yeah, I misspelled this. You guys were probably yelling at me in the comment section or something. Sorry about that for spelling that wrong. Your name is Skeptical, you're 14 years old, your favorite color is red, and your favorite number is 7. As you can see, very, very easy to do. Next video I'm going to show you about if and else if, else, if, and else statements, or pretty much just, let me clarify it as just if statements. Which are very easy actually, and every programming language has them. They're just as popular as variables. Like, take for instance, if you're playing this 2D game, this 2D spaceship game, you're gonna need an if statement saying if your health or the enemy's health is 0, then, like, say if the enemy's health was 0, then the enemy sprite would disappear, or it would be destroyed, you know? Or if your health was 0 or less than 0, then you'd go to the death screen, or, you know, it's very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.